Howdy, Doody. Today I will pretend to entertain you with such things as lighters. Not just any lighters. I'm talking about IMCO, whatever they call them. Made in Austria a long time ago. I remember them when some people I used to know who died already used to use them very frequently and with much enjoyment. And there I go for you. This this is what they seem to call Junior Imco lighter. It's supposed to fire up every time. It usually does. It works by this bullet thing. Little wick. It is actually based on a bullet from some Zero War, First War, whatever, and it has some cotton or some stuff that soaks liquid, and you have to make sure you don't destroy it because it's soft like aluminum can, so you have to be careful. Then you shove it right in there and snappy poopy. Another thing about this is it takes a flint, real flint, and you can find it right in that little compartment. You pull this rig out. See? Pull this rig out and hold it down, shake it, and you will see a little flint there. When that flint gets really tiny, you replace it with another one. Sometimes flints from throwaway, lighters, they will do the same job. But so that's how it works. Click, click. Now, this is what I came across from my friend. I was trying to get one of these for myself because it's good to have one. It's really good to have one, especially in emergency, because this actually works like a candle, and it will hold a pretty good light for a long time. So the only difference between this and this, which they call, I think they call this one Junior for some reason, and they call this one something I can't remember, but if you go on the website of Imco made in Austria lighters. You will find out exactly the names of these models, because this one is a little more advanced. It's actually brand new, so it takes a little bit of workout to make it do what you want it to do, but it does a pretty good job. I don't see how this could be of any advantage, because it's supposed to like close these holes, supposedly to make it more desirable in windy situations, but this one works just the same, you know. I think this is more for show time. I remember these things from when I was very young. Some man carried them. I don't remember if my father had one of these or not. Probably did. I'll just show you really quick how to fill it up. The other one is already full. When you get one of these or Ronsons, you can get this or Ronson, but it has to be lighter fluid. Otherwise, you're gonna ruin some things. Well, I don't know if they're gonna be ruined, but it's probably gonna do something. Fill it up. This is brand new one, remember. There we go. Once you see little drop forming at the wick, that's when it's filled. When it's filled. See, once it gets some fluid there, it becomes really smooth. There you go. Looks like this one design causes it to save on fluid, because supposedly you can adjust it. Well, it has to be worked out, but this little chimney sucks less air once it's closed, which makes it smaller as far as light goes. That's pretty good. Now I remember, I used to live through those days. So there they are. I don't think you can read them, but go on the web and find out. They're really worth to have, at least for emergencies. Remember, you have to fill them up. If you use them every day, you probably want to refill them probably every day or two. And I thank you for watching. I will be talking about my beard some other time. So, talk to you later.